Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making delicious golden white chocolate blondies. I will throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. It's going to be right underneath the link to the KitchenAid mixer giveaway that I'm running on my blog. So if you haven't entered already, be sure to click that. It'll give you all the information you need and all the many ways you have to enter. Now let's go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and get started on some golden, delicious white chocolate blondies. So our first step in our mixing bowl is going to be to add in our dry ingredients. So let's go ahead and start by adding in our flour, our baking soda, and our salt, and give that a quick little whisk. Once you have those fully whisked together, let's go ahead, scoot those to the side, grab another mixing bowl for our wet ingredients. First, we're going to add in our butter, our white sugar, our brown sugar, and our vanilla. Then with our hand mixer on a medium speed, we're going to go ahead and mix these all together until everything is fully combined and nicely incorporated. Next, we're going to add in our eggs, one at a time. So let's go ahead and add in one egg, mix it in, and our second egg, and mix it in. Then we want to sprinkle in our flour mixture and incorporate that on a low speed with our hand mixer until it's just combined in. And lastly, we're going to add in our white chocolate chips. And then just quickly fold those in. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, you have white chocolate blondie batter. So let's go ahead, take our prepared pan, lined with some parchment paper so there's no sticky bottoms, and add in our batter. And then just give that a nice smooth over with our spatula. Now let's go ahead, pop these in the oven for a good 30 to 35 minutes. You shouldn't need more than 30 minutes though, but depending on your oven, you might need that extra 5 minutes. So go ahead, pop those in and let bake, and you will have your delicious golden blondies. So our blondies have baked, they've cooled, I sliced into them, maybe already had two. Don't tell anybody though. But once they are fully baked, you will have your golden blondie with big chunks of white chocolate and just nice, fluffy, light texture. Just all around yummy, tasty blondie. It doesn't get any better than this. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you like today's recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm sharing recipes with you guys that you all like. I'm tripping over my tongue again. That you all like and want to see more of, and that you're going to try or you want to try. Just if you're enjoying the recipes, give a thumbs up. Lets me know I'm on the right track with everybody. And while you're down there giving a thumbs up, don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future yummy, tasty, and festive, because we've got all those holidays coming up. You don't want to miss any of those fun, yummy desserts. We've got a lot planned and cannot wait to share them all with you. And speaking of sharing, if you make your own delicious white chocolate blondie, don't forget to tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking in your kitchen. Let me see how your blondies come out. As for me, I'm gonna go ahead, grab one, maybe two more of these, have a cup of coffee, but you know I was gonna say that, and enjoy the sunshine. I hope you all get to do the same, and I will see you all tomorrow for another yummy, delicious, quick, perfect recipe. Until then, bye.